How to get commercial carpet cleaning clients. Hello, my fellow carpet cleaners. My name is Mays. I've been in the business for 30 years. I do about $1 million a year in commercial cleaning. That's carpet, air ducts, furniture, and tile. And today I want to talk about getting listed in Google and showing up in the Google search results. First of all, you want to make sure that you fill out all the fields in your profile. Don't leave anything blank. Use a very effective description. Use a lot of keywords in your description. For example, if you operate in Boise, use the keyword commercial carpet cleaning Boise. Use the keyword professional commercial upholstery cleaning in Phoenix if you're in Phoenix. And make sure you list all your service areas. If you're based in a large metropolitan area, make sure you list all the little surrounding towns in that area. Make sure you list all your services. And yeah, get reviews. Reviews are very important. Your competitor will outrank you just based on reviews, even if they do nothing with their profile except set it up. If they get in reviews, they could outrank you. So make sure you get those. Once your profile is set up, it's pretty easy to get reviews. Just do a good job, right? You don't want to ask an irate customer to give you a review. So just take care of your customer. Then you can text them a link to your profile or email it to them and ask them for a review. And a lot of them will do it, especially right after you do the work and they're all happy. They'll be happy to reciprocate by leaving you a 5-star review. I created a short guide that you see on the screen there, Maze's Google Guide. Tips straight from a carpet cleaning pro. This is free for you guys. It will just give you some guidance on how to get set up. So if you want it, feel free to reach out to me and I'll send it to you. Message me or leave a comment in the comments and I'll send it over to you guys. I'm also going to be creating more content on customer acquisition, getting commercial carpet cleaning customers, marketing, customer retention, quality control. So I'm going to unpack a lot of stuff in some coming videos. So make sure you stay tuned and come back to the channel. The channel is brand new, but I will be creating more content and see what I can do to help you guys out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep on cleaning. Bye.